plastic surgery developed from ancient Egypt thousands of years back and further progressed geographically as the knowledge disseminated from the epicenters of northern India in 600 BC, Sicily in 15th century, Germany in 19th century, and finally arrived in Britain during World Wars.
Recent history sees a merging of plastic with cosmetic surgery as a byproduct of our image-fueled and appearance-obsessed society. But in action, cosmetic and plastic surgery are not the same.
As plastic surgery refers to the surgical reconstruction of any deformity, providing normal appearance and function, whereas cosmetics refers to electively performed procedures for improving particular aspects about a person's features deemed inactive, like rhinoplasty, cheek and chin augmentation, eyelid surgery.
Now, to get further insight of this medical specialty, I would like to call upon Dr. Zahid Nagra for a presentation.
My name is Zahid Nagra. I am here to introduce about plastic surgery. What is plastic surgery? Many of us do not know what is plastic surgery. As already told, derived from a Greek word. In our society, most of the times it is considered that it is only concerned with the form or shape. But basically, in our society, most of the work is concerned with the form or the function. Now, a sentence is written here is a problem-solving discipline. We can understand it by giving an example that if we have a patient with large wound on a surgical floor, maybe from infection of the skin, or similar patient on a medical floor having some medical disease like CBA and is unconscious, confined to the bed, having a large bed sore, again a wound, or a patient having post-traumatic wound lying in neurosurgical ward. All of these specialties are having problems with the closure of this wound. So, problem will be solved by a plastic surgeon. So, it spans entire body, and at times in modern language you can call plastic surgeon as a modern general surgery. For the purpose of description, the plastic surgery is divided into reconstructive, cosmetic and burn care. The larger component is reconstructive surgery, which is confined to trauma, congenital defects, malignancies. Few examples of patients being treated right in this institution. Please see and listen carefully. If you happen to find a patient with injury to the index finger with exposed bone, and if this is the right index finger, you just imagine the functional value of the right index finger. And if soft tissue coverage is provided by a plastic surgeon, you can regain the most discrete function, that is writing. Lot of patients come frequently. Just see this face. An adult with having a cleft lip, just is around 40 years age. Just imagine the years of agony and emotional disturbance he has survived through with this socially non-presentable face. Just one procedure of plastic surgery has brought him back to life. similar cleft of bilateral variety after surgery. At times we see patients who have been operated previously by other surgeons. This guy was having cleft deformity. He came to me in this condition. Just focus your attention on the nose and upper lip from the front and profile. The upper lip and the tip of nose. By virtue of plastic surgery, you see nose from front and profile. So it is called that the magic works here. Another kind of deformity, syndactyly, after surgery. Another congenital deformity, macrostomia, a defect of form and function. The child cannot retain any food inside the oral cavity. Result after surgery. Giant hairy neighbors, not only ugly looking but with malignant potential after plastic surgical repair. Another example. Reconstruction is another major branch. We come across large cancers where some part of the body, maybe in this case the lower lip, has to be removed, or at times the cancer is very close to an important viscus. Post-burn deformities, limiting the function and deformity. Injuries or problems to the exposed viscera. Soft tissue coverage to the vital structures, nerves and bones. So it has preserved the function of the distal part, the head, ulnar nerve and vessels were exposed, which were covered by a flap. Burns, big component, different policies, split thickness or partial burns, covered by special dressings, or full thickness burns covered by skin grafts. Last but not least, the very interesting speciality, lot of creativity. You can become a plastic surgeon right in this institution. All of these cases, they are being done here in this Punjab Medical College and Allied Hospital. We have a fully developed system, 1 year house job, 2 year general surgery and 3 years in plastic surgery. Thank you.